Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a cinematic look to your videos in Canva. First up, open your Canva and then go to videos and select this create a blank or create blank. Then you'll be taken into this page. So here you can basically upload all your videos here in upload section. But in this case, I'm going to elements and find a video here. For example, I'm going to search for places. Press enter and then go to the videos tab. And in this case, I'm going to select one here. For example, this one. Now, as you can see the video that I want to use. Now I'm going to click on the three dots and then click set video as background. There you go. Once done, click on the video. And then once you click on the video here, select the edit video options at the top. And then select on adjust. And we're going to the white balance first. Here on warmth, we're going to change into like 53 right here, 53. And then we can go here on brightness. We need to decrease this one into like 15. Then the contrast, I'm going to increase it into like 30. Now scroll down here. We're going to the color and the saturation here. I'm going to decrease this one. So like this, right? It's going to be 16. Next, we're going to create a shape. So basically go to elements. And then we're going to scroll down to find the square shape. So right here. And then customize this one. So I'm going to put right here at the top. Adjust the size. Like this, and then the color will be color black, then duplicate, so it may looks like a cinematic video. So once done, you can now play this, so you just need to wait for a few seconds. So this is the result on how you can create a cinematic look video in Canva. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.